Alright, well, let's take a look here. I've never seen this kit before. I went ahead and just purchased it online, and very excited about this. Opening a kit for the first time is a bit of a ceremony for me. I take care when I'm opening the kit. I want to make sure to not damage any pieces. And it's just fun. It's fun to just kind of sit here and take some time opening up and getting that sort of initial excitement that I think we all get when we open up these kits. I know nothing about this vehicle. Like I said, I was not familiar with the kit when I purchased it, but it intrigued me right away. So what I'll do is I'll certainly take some time and do a little research. Maybe look at some archival footage and maybe get a book or two on it. So the chassis here looks very nice. Molded in one piece here. Let's take a look. Some really nice detail. Decals will probably be replaced. I find that the Tamiya are a little bit thick for my liking. And we've got two sets of instructions here. Pretty typical. One is in Japanese, the other here should be in English. And this is a very interesting fold out. Yeah, the last time I think I saw a fold out like this was with the British quad tractor. Okay. Very clear instructions, pretty straightforward kit. Actually, the vehicle itself in 1/35 scale is a little bit larger than I expected. Looking at the box, I thought it would be near the size of like a Kugelwagen or a standard Jeep, but a little larger. It's nice. It does come with figures. I don't typically do figures. I haven't actually done figures in my adult years here. I don't like how they staple the bags. The last thing I want is metal scraping against the pieces, but maybe I'm just being super picky. Be really careful here. We got a free clear piece here. Alright, let's take a look at some of the figures. We got some rucksacks, some jerry cans, and some weapons here. Very nice. Not quite sure how I'll dress up the vehicle in terms of stowage, but again, I'll do some research and see what I find. Very nice clear piece, no scratches, thankfully. Looks pretty typical Jeep windshield here. Okay. I did turn off the extraneous noise on this. It's difficult in my house to get a nice recording, so I have two kids, so it makes things a little noisy. Alright, it's very nice parts here. Excellent detail. I always kind of think about some of the things I'm going to either scratch build or see if I can improve on, but right off the bat, I'm liking what I'm seeing. And the wheels and some other chassis parts here. Looks like the dials. And a little bit of flash on the wheels, but not too bad. Very easy to take care of. Reading the box, it said that at least the molding is 1974. So it's an older kit. And again, here are the decals. Yeah, much of this can be replaced with either some dry transfers or thinner decals. But I'm very excited about this kit. I think there were 3 different types of versions in terms of markings. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video. It's the Ford G.P.A. Jeep. More to come.